Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I am going to give an overview about extreme programming, that is also called XP in Agile world. I will also explain about the core principles and the advantages of extreme programming in this video. Let us understand what is extreme programming now. XP is one of the most popular Agile software development methodologies. It focuses on customer satisfaction, continuous improvement, and high quality software delivery. XP programming will ensure that the code is simple, clean, and flexible to changes. XP helps to improve the productivity of the team by handling the code changes effectively, ensuring code quality, and meeting customer needs during the product development. XP enables the team to improve the engineering practices, collaborations with the customers. Now let's understand the core principles of the extreme programming. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. XP has 5 core principles which will guide the development process for the team. The first principle is communication. Developers, customers, and other stakeholders must maintain close, continuous communication to understand the requirements and ensure that the software aligns with the business needs. The second principle is simplicity. The focus is on writing the simplest possible code that satisfies the current requirements. This avoids unnecessary complexity and reduces the over-engineering activities. The third principle is feedback. Continuous feedback is very important to proceed with the development activities in the right direction. Feedback is collected throughout automated tests, customer inputs, and regular code reviews. The fourth principle is courage. Developers are encouraged to make changes to the code base, refactor when necessary, and take risks to improve the software. The fifth principle is respect. Developers, customers, and team members must respect each other and their work and the process and finding values from everyone's contribution. XP practices are grouped into two categories. The first category is engineering practices. The second category is management practices. I will explain you the practices followed in these two categories in detail with some examples. Now let's understand about the engineering category practices. The first one is test-driven development, that is also called TDD. TDD is core practices in XP where developers write the tests before writing the code. This ensures that each unit of the code is well tested and that the code base stays bug-free. For example, a developer writes a unit test to verify that a function returns the correct output for a given input. Then they write the code to pass the test, ensuring that the system is correct from the beginning. The second practice is pair programming. Two developers work together at one workstation, with one writing the code and the other reviewing the code and providing the guidance. The first person is called driver, the second person is called navigator. For example, one developer writes the code and the other suggests better approaches or warns about the potential bugs, ensuring high quality code and knowledge sharing. The third practice is collective code ownership. Every developer is responsible for the entire code base, and any developer can make changes to any part of the code. This practice encourages collaboration and flexibility. For example, if a bug is identified in a part of the system that was initially developed by another team member, any developer can fix it without waiting for approval. The fourth practice is refactoring. Refactoring involves continually improving the internal structure of the code without changing its external behavior. This keeps the code clean, flexible, and easier to maintain. For example, after adding a new feature, the developer may identify redundant or duplicate code and refactor it to more efficient and reusable form. Hope this is clear. Now we can learn about management practices followed in XP. The first management practice is customer involvement. In XP, the customer, that is product owner in Agile project, is an integral part of the development team. Product owner should be available to provide the feedback and clarify requirement throughout the development process. For example, customers regularly attend the planning meeting, daily stand-ups, etc. The second management practice is small releases. The software is released frequently in small incremental updates rather than the large release. This allows for faster feedback and quicker delivery of working software. For example, after 2 weeks of development, a new version of the software can be released to the customer as a minor release. The third management practice is stories and iterations. Teams should have the small and manageable work items in the user story format so that the work can be completed in short iterations. The iterations can be 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks. The fourth management practice is on-site customer. A customer representative or a product owner or the business analyst is always available to answer the questions and make decision about the product requirements where the development team is located. So these are all the four major management practices followed in the XP. So now let us understand about the advantages of extreme programming. The first advantage is improved code quality. Practices like test-driven development and continuous integrations ensure that the code is well tested, bug-free, and maintainable from the beginning. Pair programming also leads to higher quality code due to the constant reviews. This is the first advantage. The second advantage is faster delivery of features. By working in small incremental releases and involving the customer frequently, XP helps the team delivers useful software very faster. The third advantage is flexibility to change. XP encourages the teams to easily adapt to new requirements and customer feedback. The practices of refactoring and continuous integration make it easier to incorporate changes without breaking the system. The fourth advantage is customer satisfaction. The customer is involved throughout the process with regular releases, continuous feedback, and flexibility in changing requirements. This results in a product that more closely meets customer expectations. The fifth advantage is team collaboration and knowledge sharing. Practices like pair programming and collective code ownership encourages collaboration and knowledge sharing across the team and preventing silos and reducing dependencies on individual developers. The sixth advantage is simplicity. XP encourages simple designs and solutions, which reduces complexity and technical debt. In summary, extreme programming is highly effective agile methodology that emphasizes engineering excellence. By following XP practices, development team can deliver high quality, flexible software that meets customer needs. XP focuses on simplicity, collaboration, and continuous feedback, which is very much useful in the fast-paced and evolving project situations. Hope this video is useful. If you like this content, please click the like button and leave your comments. Please subscribe to this channel to get notification about future videos. Thank you.